In this module, we are going to talk about securing the border. Although globalization processes have made the security of borders more challenging than ever before in the history, yet following measures can be helpful to reduce illegal immigration. Troops. National Guard troops should monitor the borders and ensure that not a small unauthorized boat can enter the prohibited territory. So you can imagine that how different countries, especially who are prosperous and have better opportunities of life, are restricting the unskillful social capital, not the skillful social capital. That is an irony, in fact. They are building walls. In order to protect the unguarded borders, state can build huge walls at some specific points of entrance. Flexible immigration policies. Immigration policies should be flexible under easy policies will ensure easier access to visas and hence immigrants will not opt illegal means or violate the immigration laws. So when states started feeling that immigrants are coming in that country and they are not useful for that country's economy, they started constructing huge walls and making such laws which could discourage those immigrants. Fight against slavery. States should take strict actions and prison sentences to anyone who hires illegal immigrants as slaves and workers. Owing to such actions, it is possible to respect the humanity. Creating opportunities. Immigrants should be encouraged to stay by providing better facilities and opportunities of life, cancellation of debts, peacekeeping, job creation in multiple sectors rather than being confined to labor intensive and agriculture work, upgradation of salaries. As we know, in our previous modules, we learned that if the people are being provided with their basic needs that they could sustain their families, they would not be interested in any kind of immigration anymore.